Good morning students. So welcome to IP class. Today we are going to discuss string functions part 2. So today we are going to learn 4 string functions. First one left, second one right, third one substr. It is also called substring, and the fourth one is the mid function. Basically these functions are used to return few or all the letters from the data. As you provide the argument or the parameters in the function, so according to that parameters it returns you the data. For example, if the data is computer, internally it is stored like this, and it is very important to understand the data storage technique. In MySQL, all letters are stored separately. For example, the letter C is stored separately and O is stored at different location, or you can access it with the help of positive or negative positioning. The positive positioning is plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 letters. So plus 1 or 1 indicates the letter C, 2 indicates letter O, 3 indicates M, and P is stored at position 4. Or using negative positioning, so minus 1 means the letter R, or minus 2 means letter E. This way the first letter C is represented using minus 8. So it is up to you, so also depends upon the requirement. Now the letter T can be accessed using plus 6 or minus 3. Letter M can be accessed using plus 3 or minus 6 in this example. Now another important point which is very necessary to know is the reading direction. The reading direction is always left to right. It means MySQL always reads data from left to right direction towards the right. As in our daily life we are reading any notebook, book or newspaper. If we have to read any word or any name in English language, we are reading it from left to right. Similar to that. Another example, so 2 letters from 5th place, 2 letters from 5th place. So first of all find the 5th place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is the 5th place. So what is stored at the 5th place? That is U, and one more letter you have to read, that is T, not P. So always read rightward direction. So the next letter will be T. So the answer is UT. Another example, read 2 letters from minus 5th place. Minus 5th, minus 5. So minus 5 represents letter P. In the same way it will read rightward. So the output will be P and U, as it has to read only 2 letters. That's why. Now the important points, that is the data source. The first one is the data source from where it will read the data. It may be any column name of the table or fixed data. Second one is the position. Position means from where it will start the reading the letters, that is the starting point or position. So in syntax it is written as POS. Now the third important point, that is number of letters or characters, means how many letters it will read. 1 letter, 2 letter, 3, 4. So these three are very important, and the third one is the optional. In case if we are not mentioning it, so in that case it will read till the last letter. Now the first function, that is left function. This function returns the specified number of characters from the specified string. The general syntax left str and number of character. For example, select left computer, comma 3. So it will read 3 letters from left hand side. As the name suggests, left function always reads from left hand side. So here we don't need to specify the position, as it reads from left hand side. So first 3 letters from the data, that is COM. So you can see the output in MySQL also. Now another example, select left computer 5. So it will read 5 letters from left hand side, that is COMPU. Now let us take another word, another data, which is the combination of 2 words including blank space. So blank space is also treated as 1 letter. So all 7 letters you have to read from left hand side. So read I is stored at first place, N is stored at second place. This way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till A. So INFORMA is the output. Now apply this function on column of any table. So we have taken the example of employee table, so we are going to use it on the employee name. Select left employee name, comma 3 from the employee. So this type of query will provide us the first 3 letters from left hand side, first 3 letters of all employee name. As we have not mentioned here where clause, so it will display all the employee name. You can see in the output. So in MySQL, this is the output of the employee names. So all these names are stored in the table. So first 3 letters it will read from all the employee. So this type of output you will get. Select left name, comma 3 from employee. So this output is produced by the MySQL. So very easily you can understand it. Now move to the next function. So right function is also based on the left function. It is similar to the left function, but the only difference is that it reads from right hand side instead of left hand side. So this function returns the last specified number of characters, 4 characters, 5 characters from the given string or data. The syntax is write string, then number of characters. For example, select write, then the data is computer, comma 3. Now the output is TER. Now let us observe how it produces the output like this. Now 3 and the function name is write. So it will move from right side. So first, this is the first letter, second letter and third letter. So it comes to the third letter. From that place it starts reading towards the right side, that is T, then E, then R. So the output is TER, not RET. Okay. Now the second example, the right computer, comma 5. So it will read 5 letters from right hand side. So from the right hand side, from this side, first, second, third, fourth and fifth is the P. Now from this letter P, it starts reading rightward, it moves rightward, PUTER is the output. Now informatics practices, now 7 letters. How many letters? 7 letters from right hand side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From the letter A, it moves rightward, so it will display ACTICS. So this is the output. So this way the right function gives you the output. Now a little bit more. So you can apply the right function on table or column also. So write employee name, e name is the employee name, comma 3 letters from right hand side of the employee name. So all employees. So you are familiar with the employee data. So it will read last 3 letters from the employee name. So here in the first example, last 3 letters are IYA. In the next example, IKA. So IK is displayed in the output. Now move to the last value, which is of 4 letters. So from the right hand side, it moves towards the left like 1, 2, 3. So at this point, it stops and starts reading rightward. So it will read AVI. That's why the output is AVI. So mind you students, so MySQL always reads rightward, and it returns you the value, not in reverse order. Now the next function is the substr function. It is also called substring or mid function. All are same. This function returns number of characters like 5, 4, 5, 6. Number of characters starting from the given position of the given string. So the general syntax is the substr, then first parameter is the str position, then number of characters. Here we are observing that the left and right function requires 2 parameters and substr, substring and mid requires 3 parameters. So you can work this function also with the 2 parameters. The third one is optional, but it gives you something different output. So as per your need, you can use it. So if the third argument number of character is missing, then starting from the specified place, rest of the letters or the string is returned. Means from the starting position, mentioned starting position towards the right hand side till the end, it returns all the letters. Let us take another case. If the position is negative, you are familiar with this in the diagram you have seen. If the position is negative, the beginning of the substring is the specified position character from the end of the string and then reads the specified number of characters or letters rightward. Now see the example. Select substr computer 1, 3. The output is COM 1, 3. So position is 1. How many letters it will read? 3. So in substr function, 3 parameters are used. So delimiter is comma. So 2 commas are used. So first is the data source str, second is the position, and third one is the number of character. So from the first place it will read 3 letters. You can see in the output. So COM is the output. Now another example, -5, 5. The word is same. computer minus 5 comma 5. So minus 5 is the position and 5 is the character or letter. It will count. So how many letters it will return. So first of all, reach to the minus 5 place. So very easily you can find the minus 5 place. So start your counting from right hand side. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. So minus 5 minus fifth letter is the P. Then from this point you read right word. So move right word. So P is the first letter, U is the second letter, T is the third letter, then E is the fourth and R is the fifth letter. So we have to read 5 letters. So how many letters? 5 letters from the fifth place. The output is PUTER. Now another example, informatics practices in which one blank space is there. So plus 6, the position, 6 is the position and 8 is the number of letters, number of characters. So how many letters it will return? 8 letters. And from where it will start reading the letters, that is 6. So see the output. Informatics practices. So in this case, just verify our count. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, that is M. So from M, read right word and count 8 letters from this place. So M is the first letter, A is the second, T is the third, I is the fourth letter, C is the fifth, S is the sixth letter and blank space is the seventh letter. So blank space is also treated as letter. Now 8th letter is P. So after that it will stop. So it returns MATICS, blank space P is the output. So from 6th place 8 letters. Now apply the substr function to the table in the employee name column. So select substr name comma minus 3 from employee. See the output. So first of all, observe what is stored in the employee table and the reading order is minus 3, minus 3. So it will read from right hand side, 3 letters from right hand side. You can very easily, you can conclude the last 3 letters of all employee name. So employee name are having a variable length, that is maybe of 4 letters, name may be of 5 letters. So from last 3 letters will be returned. Now select substr ename comma 3 from employee. So it will return you by reading the letters from the third place onwards, that is right word. So it will read like this. Let us see in the first example, first, second, third. So from this place it will start reading right word till the last letter, as the number of character is not mentioned in this case. So it will read till the last letter, but it will start reading from the third letter. So see in the another example, the name is Ravi. So first, second, third letter is V. So V onwards and rightwards till the last. So only 2 digits are there. So in this criteria, so VI is the answer. Let us see the second last, KUNAL. So 1, 2, 3. So third letter is N. Then it will start reading from this letter. NAL is the output. Okay. Now what you have observed here, so here it reads from the third position letter to the last position letter. Okay students, I hope you understand it very properly, and you do the assignments, and if you are having any doubt, you go through the video again, and for any query you can write to us. Thank you.